Okay, today we're going to sample this new wheel, restore wheel, and this is a standard 2x4. It's about 18 inches long. Today's value, $325. We're going to give this roller a try and see what it does to this wood. Bear with me here. Okay, I don't know if you can see that, but that's some major distressing. It's like totally gouged out. Totally, that sounds funny. Totally. Anyway, that's it. So you can see better here in the light. Anyway, made a lot of dust really quick. So if you're looking to distress something really bad, this is the roller for you.